The exercise consisted of a arson in a assisted living facility that was intentionally set by a disgruntled employee. When the fire department responded, the disgruntled employee started shooting. Then law enforcement responded.
Put your gun down! Hands up!
Several people are injured, not just from the gunshots, but also injured from the fire. So we have several patients that require transportation to the hospital, as well as several that meet the criteria for what is called a trauma alert. For our nursing and allied health students at the hospital, they're going to be working under an actual physician that is providing them with instructions on what to do for each of these patients, whether it be a trauma patient, a medical patient, a smoke inhalation, whichever type of patient they get. So we're going to have multiple different types of patients. All of these were predetermined by the faculty. We wanted to create objectives, and we wanted to expose students to patients they may not have seen yet. And again, preparing them for what the real world is going to be like.